Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful day out here, and in today's video, we will be discussing types of crypto scams and how to avoid them. Types of crypto scams and how to avoid them. But just in case you don't know, my name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel. Thank you very much if you've been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please hit on the subscribe button. It is completely free. After you hit on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification and select all, so that anytime I drop a video, you will be the first to get notified. Also, please click on the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to others. And also, please click on the share button and share this video with your family and friends. So without wasting any of your time, let us quickly get into the video. The number one type of scam, crypto scam, we are going to discuss now is called the honeypot scam. This involves gaining easy access to a crypto wallet with huge funds inside, but it requires you to deposit coins for network fees in order for them to withdraw. If you send funds in, a sweeper bot immediately withdraws your deposit to another address, leaving you with nothing. So do not do that. Honeypot is a term that cybersecurity professionals use often. It's a metaphor that refers to something that is designed to attract someone. In other words, it's a trap. Sometimes security professionals actually deploy their own honeypots to try and catch bad actors. Today, we are going to take a look at a specific type of honeypot scam. This one that looks like a delicious pot of cryptocurrency, and all you have to do is to reach out and take it. The scam begins with someone making contact, asking for help. It can happen in Twitter, and it can happen any other place. We have seen cases of scam happening in Discord, through peer-to-peer messaging apps, etc., etc. Anywhere you can contact someone really can be the place where a scammer fishes for their next mark. It happens like somebody can send you a message saying, I'm a young boy, or I'm a young girl, or I'm a student, or I'm an apprentice. I received the sum of 10,000 USDT, but I don't know how to sell USDT to get USD into my bank account. Can you teach me, please, how to use my Trust wallet? I will pay 200 USDT as a reward. And if you follow up this, you are in for a honeypot scam. The second one we'll be talking about is the phishing scam. Phishing scam. These are websites, apps, or softwares that imitate official popular exchanges, but they are only trying to steal your login details or assets. Please cross-check crypto platform domains before visiting them. Do not click on random links. Phishing is a type of cryptocurrency scam that involves tricking victims into giving up their private keys or personal information. The attacker typically masquerades as a legitimate entity or person to get the trust of the victim. Once the victim has been scammed, the attacker then uses their information to steal their cryptocurrency funds. Phishing scams are becoming increasingly common as cyber criminals and cyber attacks grow more sophisticated. Many of these target wallets, cryptocurrency exchanges, and initial coin offering. Thus, crypto users must be aware of how they work to protect themselves and their funds. The third one we will be looking at is the giveaway scam. This scam offers to give you crypto for free, promising bigger airdrops if you invite more people. If an airdrop requires you to deposit money for transaction fee, it's 99% scam. Stay away. In a nutshell, giveaway scams are a form of social engineering in which a scammer attempts to deceive a cryptocurrency investor into believing that a major cryptocurrency exchange or celebrity is hosting a giveaway. The catch here is that in order to participate in the giveaway, you must first send a certain amount of cryptocurrency to a giveaway address so that you can verify your wallet address and receive your share of the giveaway. However, because cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, only a victim sends money. Once a victim sends money to the scammer's address, there is nothing anyone can do to get it back, and the scammer has made a profit. The other one we'll be looking at is the scam bot scam. A crypto support bot scam discovered in May has now increased and widened its breadth of targeted cryptocurrency users. The way it works is that scammers monitor every tweet on Twitter for specific keywords such as the crypto platform names, MetaMask, Phantom, and Trust Wallet, as well as other words like support, help, and assistance. When such a tweet is detected, the scammer bot instantly replies to the user, offering false assistance and urging them to click a link. If the user falls for it, the scammer then works on the user using social engineering to obtain the recovery phase for the user's cryptocurrency account. Once the scammer gets that, they steal that user's cryptocurrency. You see DMs or group chats parading as official support channels or popular crypto exchanges. They will ask for your password, pins, or seed phrases. Please block them immediately. The other one we'll be talking about, which is the last one, is the rug pull scam. These are cryptocurrencies usually offered on decentralized exchanges but have no purpose or already built product. Always do your own research. If there's too much emphasis on coin marketing instead of utility products, it's probably safer to stay away. A rug pull, which gets its name from the expression pulling the rug, is a cryptocurrency scam in which a developer attracts investors but pulls out before the project is complete, leaving buyers with a worthless asset. Rug pulls are common with decentralized finance or DeFi, projects that aim to disrupt traditional financial services such as banking and insurance. NFTs or non-fungible tokens that provide digital ownership of art and other content have also been involved in rug pull. Rug pull cost investors more than $2.8 billion in 2002, according to the research firm Chainalysis. Here's how to spot them. So guys, just a recap. We've talked about the honeypot scam. We also talked about the phishing scams. We also talked about the giveaway scams. We also talked about the spam bot scam. And finally, we talked about the rug pull scams, so that you'll be aware of all these scams. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video to the end. In case this is your first time watching my video, please hit on the subscription button. Also click on the notification bell and select all. Also please like this video and share it amongst your family and friends. Thank you guys, and see you again in my next video. Bye.